Welcome to Procurement in the Park, your go-to channel for all things procurement and supply chain. Today, once again, we are going to be talking about Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC. In the previous video, we talked about TSMC's decision to consider opening a fabrication plant in Germany, its first in Europe. And this time, we are focusing more on what TSMC is doing in the United States and in Japan. And this is inspired by an article in The Economist that addresses how TSMC is navigating the increasingly murky waters of geopolitics. As a highlight in my book, Profit from the Source, it's essential for companies to take control of their supply chain and proactively address risk. TSMC is a prime example of this, as the company is worth $430 billion and straddles the Taiwan Strait, one of the world's most dangerous geopolitical flashpoints. Both America and China covet TSMC's unmatched ability to make advanced chips, but it's a far bigger supplier to the former than the latter. If either superpower were to stifle its independence, the fallout would be immense. Yet the company refuses to be panicked. Its 91-year-old founder, Morris Chang, said in a podcast last year, "If there is a war, then my goodness, we all have a lot more than just chips to worry about." His successor as chairman, Mark Liu, insists that peace is in everyone's interest. It's a risky strategy, but TSMC offers valuable lessons on how to handle the dirty business of geopolitics. The company is not breaking away from Taiwan, where it has foundry capacity for making more than 3/4 of the world's high-end chips. It's also unlikely to jeopardize its profitability, which generates cash flows necessary to retain its edge. Instead, TSMC is thinking about a long-term future in which there may be a premium on geographical flexibility. In short, it's playing a subtle game of diplomacy in which its business interests come first. For example, TSMC is building a vast new American fab in Phoenix, Arizona, which is due to start making 4nm chips next year, and plans to build its first fab in Japan for Sony. This looks like a strategy to move close to its customers, but it is more of a long-term insurance policy than an immediate game changer. It enables TSMC to start a tough job of recruiting a workforce and amassing suppliers in America, providing a baseline for expansion. Despite the challenges, TSMC is deftly navigating the geopolitical landscape and protecting its profits. As I mentioned in Profit from the Source, it's essential for companies to be proactive in managing risk in the supply chain, and TSMC is a prime example of this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest trends and insights in procurement and business. Bye.